We were watching the coronavirus from the time it started in China. And I guess in your mind, you know it's coming, but somehow you don't think it's going to affect you the way it's affected other places. As soon as we started seeing the numbers of the virus going up in Florida, I knew immediately there were going to be mass layoffs across the state, across the nation. So we made a decision early on that the best thing we could do was help people apply for unemployment compensation. You know, if you're out of a job through no fault of your own, you're certainly not planning for it. We knew that the most important thing we could do is work with job seekers and employers as many people were being laid off. We developed a plan quickly, and we felt strongly that we needed to keep our doors open to the public for as long as we could. We did have a number of staff who said they wanted to stay working in the office, and a good solid team of individuals who said, we feel as strongly as you do about serving the public in their time of need. These are our neighbors. They're people that live, that we go to church with, that we see all the time, and we need to be here for them.
So currently with COVID-19 and reemployment assistance, what we're seeing here at CareerSource Gulf Coast is a large number of people coming into our center either because they don't have access to a computer or internet at home, or they just need the extra help with filing their claims. There's a lot of frustration on their part. The system seems to be bogging down, and sometimes they just need someone who will listen. People are desperate. They need the help. That's why we come in every day and we're doing what we do, whether it's at 4 o'clock in the morning or we stay till midnight to try to help these people, or at least to provide them with answers that they might need. Personally, for me, part of it could be my nature, but part of it is I look at these people who are coming in and I think that could be me. That could be me who doesn't know what's happening, who doesn't know what resources are out there, who doesn't have the information. That's why I come and do it every day.
I called CareerSource after I couldn't start a new claim after being laid off. I came in, Tess was here, Hannah was here, and Marissa was here. They were absolutely wonderful. There was no question that they did not answer. If they didn't have the answer, they were very honest to tell me because they understand that the frustration is very, very high right now with people, and they're dealing with hundreds of people at a time here. They were wonderful. Their attitudes were great. They were helpful. They did everything that they possibly could to help me. I would recommend them anytime to anyone. These people are so helpful. They even talked to me about getting certification because my certification has run out. And they talked to me about education and helping me get that done. So that was a bonus.
I've been in Bay County since 1987, and I used to be part of the 9th Street, the unemployment, where they used to call it the Job Service Office. So anytime there's events like that, especially something like this with Hurricane Michael and all that, went through Hurricane Katrina, the floods, the net ban. So it's been part of me to serve our community, and it's nice to be part of CareerSource. The CareerSource staff and in our management team, okay, Kim, Brittany, Maria, and sometimes you don't want to miss anybody's names, but when they step out, it's so comforting to know that when I turn around at 4 o'clock in the morning, my bosses are here too, you know, and it's all to say that they're rolling up their sleeves with us, and it makes me even try to do more than 200% because they're right alongside of us. It's very humbling and reassuring that they got our back in more ways than one. My desire is we might not be able to help them, okay, put their claims in, but if they can leave with a different mindset that somebody cares, somebody out there really cares about that. That's why I chose to serve Bay County all these years and hoping to continue to serve Bay County.
First ride to the Career Center, it was kind of like a hectic situation, but the women, they were so calm and all, they were so helpful in doing to help everybody going through this virus and this situation. It just showed me who can really be heroes. Some people run when it's time to help, and some people stay and help. And that's what I see at this Career Center. The person that was so helpful was Miss Marissa and also Miss Hannah. It was other ladies around, but they just stuck out a little more for me because they was my helper at that time. They was my heroes.
Working remotely is really not easy because you're constantly on a phone. You can sense their emotions, their feelings of so down because of not having any income coming and not knowing what's going on with their application. That makes you wanted to help more because of their situation. I love my job because I can help people. I can offer solution on when their situation is really down, that it's like there's no other resources. But I would like them to see that there is hope.
You know, looking back on this, I know that I will always feel that we did absolutely everything we could to help people, and that's our goal. I don't ever want to look back on a situation and think we should have done more, because then you feel like you've let people down. I can honestly say when we look back on this, we did everything possible to help people in our community at their time of need.